got our first fish. And it's just a little guy. See ya. There we go.
Good job, Dad. Good job, Dad.
Got him.
My turn.
This guy's like not.
So white.
Oh, he's bleeding. I'm gonna put him back in.
Bye, fish.
Bye, fishy.
Mom, she's pulling me so hard. She's gonna fall into the water.
There you go. Nice.
Yes. It's a big one.
Oh, he's got a fish line in there. Somebody else broke off on him. Oh, that's part of the hook. There you go.
Fish doctor. My fish.
Good job.
My first fish today. 112.
Yep, 112, 113. It's pretty good.
You have to let him go. Hi, fish.
There he goes.
Oh,
Just keep the rod tip up. Go ahead and get close over there. There you go. Get it. Get it.
good
Nice.
job. Keep running. There's no. Here, Dad, you can grab the thing. Whoa, good job, Lisa.
You gonna grab the fish?
You have to grab the fish. That.
Grab it by the lip. Grab it by the dang on lip. Get on in there. Get it.
No, I'm not gonna bite you.
What about the hook?
Grab it hard. Put them in there on your finger like this.
Yeah.
There you go.
Take a picture of her.
Where's it from? I don't have
My
a
phone's
phone.
in there.
Got him. Cool. What do you think?
Nice. Fish. Let me shoot it. Oh my gosh.
$1.5.
Wow. 1.5?
Yeah. Here we go. Back into the depths. Fish on.
Big?
Well, it feels like it might be decent. Oh, okay. Yep, he just realized that he got hooked. Yeah.
Oh, that is a big one. Holy shoot. That might be bigger than mine.
112.
Same one.
Let's get him back in.
Yep. Bye bye fish. Bye bye fish.
There he goes. That looks like a really nice one.
Through the net. It's a low one.
Yeah.
Let me show that. 1.8.
Right. Thanks,
Sorry.
babe. Thanks, babe. Hey.
It's a big one.
Barely hooked, dude.
Yeah.
Oh,
What do you think?
well, no. It's nice.
Yeah, cool, huh?
Yes. Sea monkey, fish water.
Hey!
111.
Not bad, not bad.
Goes. Ah.
Okay. Right there.
Thanks, babe.
Fish on.
Where?
There's another one. This one's-
What has fin thingies?
This one's probably like one.
Auntie,
Which fins?
all. Stop it, please.
Which? This one, the dorsal
all
fins?
Fish have fins. Oh,
Me too.
whoa.
It's
I
tiny.
don't, I don't think so. Yeah, it's probably one, two, three. Bye, fish. Oh,
Oh
whoa!
my goodness.
Did a little backflip there.
It's so rough.
Fish on!
Little guy. Little guy.
Okay, we got him.
Auntie, all of those fish have the fin.
Cool, just a little guy. See ya. Feels like a little one.
See, they like that pink worm.
It's a baby fish.
Baby fish. I don't like using those. Why? You get stuck on.
Got another one. You want it? Okay.
Bye, fish. Are you serious?
Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah, no. They're not. I'm gonna get stuck, Dad.
You're gonna fly away like Mary Poppins.
On a big old umbrella.
You got another one.
Got another one.
Fish on.
This one's a little bigger. Oh yeah. This one's a little bigger. They will, yeah, I think so. Oh, he wants to. Oh gosh.
That's a big one.
Oy.
That's giant. Whoa! Yeah, that's big.
Yee.
I know, he's having fun.
Oh my. All right. That's a better one.
Yep.
Let's see how much it weighs. Look how long that guy is.
I'm gonna try it on his I'll put my hooks inside.
112.
112?
111, 110. Yeah, about 111. It went to 112 for a second. All right, here we go. Going back in. Ah.
Fish on.
Who, you?
Who's that?
so. Feels like it.
Huh?
Feels like it.
Where's the net? Up the well. Ooh, that's a big fish.
Thanks, babe. That's a pretty good one.
It's the same one.
That's a fun.
Oh, the hook is right in his tongue.
Fish have tongue?
Yeah.
Here.
Fish have tongue.
Right here, look. That's his tongue.
Oh.
Touch it, Mom.
Oh,
It's
okay.
his tongue, dude. Should we measure it and see how much it weighs? It's pretty
Are
long.
you a spotlight?
No, it's not like this. I'm guessing 1.8.
I'm guessing 1.4. 1.8. It is 1.8.
Is it? Sheesh, what a guess. Dang. I'm gonna go back here and let him go. Bye, fishy. Whee!